What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the Pixel Buds Pros! Finally, with active noise cancellation, AVIC suppression, active debruitment, I don't know what that, I think the bottom was French or some shit like that. But without further ado, I did pick up the Google Pixel Buds charcoal carbon color. I've owned the very first Pixel Buds in white. I had the Pixel Buds A in that forest type of green, and now I have the Pixel Bud Pros. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. We'll get to comparisons and reviews later. Let's just see what's in the box. Bam! Very similar case to the other Pixels here. Boom, look at that, nothing different there. Does have wireless charging if I'm not mistaken. Let's double check. I'm pretty sure it has wireless charging. Yep, there it goes. As you can see, it's the LED is charging, so it does have wireless charging. Pretty cool, very typical. What else do we have in the box? We do have some ear tips there, nicely packaged in this little tube right here. Boom, two sizes. Oh, one of them popped out. Let's go ahead. No charging cable. Nope, no charging cable. Nothing else but your earbuds here, and that's about it. Yep, no charging cable. Let's go ahead and take a look at the earbuds. Quick look. Very nice, very hefty feel to them, very premium. You see the drivers, I don't know what they look almost like a beam shape form. Very different compared to not last year's, but the original Pixel Buds and the Pixel Bud A's. Look at those drivers there. Absolutely beast feel and look very premium. Let's take a look at the other one. They charge the exact same way. They just go in there and they have the two charging pin points there. Magnetically align themselves inside the case. G logo there. Very similar driver. This is the left one. Also good looking there. Bam. So Pixel Buds Pros, I'm gonna go ahead and set them up. I'll come back with a full review in a couple weeks. I really want to put these through its paces. I think they're about 189 bucks compared to the Pixel Bud A's. They're about 80-70 bucks, and the original ones that came out, those battery life sucked. I wonder if these battery life are going to be better, considering that it has more features, and these are the Pros. But we will be back. A quick impression real quick of me putting it inside my ears. So they're pretty comfortable in ear. Just quick impression, you know, they don't stick out too much. Pretty comfortable, very premium feel. Like the case feels solid, but it is white, and you are going to need some protection for this case, so make sure you stay to the next video, because we are going to have a case for your Pixel Bud Pros. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Quick unboxing, nothing in depth, just quick impressions. Feels good. I'm super excited to have them. Again, please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.